Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm doing one of our all-time favorites. Easy, quick and easy, very pleasing for the people that are eating it, and ideal for those busy weeknights when you need to get something in the oven and then on the table in a timely fashion. Packed with flavor. You're gonna take 1 pound of ground beef, and you're gonna need 1 can of cream mushroom soup. I have fat-free. That's up to you. You need 1 sleeve of onion soup mix. Whether that's Lipton or whether that's the store brand, you're gonna need 1 sleeve of that. You're gonna need a bag of frozen tater tots. This is a not breaking the bank kind of recipe as well. And you're gonna need, I use sharp cheddar cheese. You can use what cheese you want, or you can use no cheese at all. That's your option. This is gonna bake in a 350-degree oven, uncovered. It all gets done together. The hamburger gets done in it as well. And then take it out after 45 minutes, cover it in cheese, put it back in the oven for about 10 more minutes, let the cheese melt. This is how easy it is. Okay, 1 pound of ground beef. And I'm just gonna put that in the dish that I have sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm just gonna tear this up. I started making this when my kids were young, and I had to get stuff on the table and get it quick, and they loved it. I got it from a friend of mine who had a son the same age as mine, and Cynthia Fryer, I thank you for this recipe because I've used it a ton. It's also in my first cookbook that was written for my son to go to college and take with him. So anyway, it's an easy one, but again, a crowd pleaser, lots of flavor. Okay, let me give my hands a little wash. Okay, I'm gonna grab a spatula, and what we're gonna do is we are going to take the can of cream of mushroom soup dump that into a bowl. We're gonna mix that up here in just a minute. We're gonna add 1 can of water, and that helps get the rest of that soup out as well. One can of water. One sleeve of onion soup mix. And mix that together. I love a quick and easy meal that doesn't break the bank, and it's all in one dish. I love that part of this recipe, and it's tasty. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up these tater tots. Maybe I need some scissors. I'm gonna pour that on top of this hamburger. Spread them out evenly. Lost one. The Cookie Monster's gonna take care of that. You think that's a treat, don't you? But let me get this bag. I don't want you to have that paper. Okay, and then we're gonna pour over top the soup mixture. It smells delicious. I can smell that onion soup mix. And listen, my guys are not crazy about like a cut up onion, but they like this recipe. And that is it. That's going into a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. I'll take it out, put cheese on it, pop it back in there for another 10 minutes until it melts. Hamburger casserole, y'all. The easiest hamburger casserole in the universe. Give it a try. Like, share, and comment if you love this recipe. Thanks for following the page. We'll see y'all soon. Bye now.